Hey guys, it's Dumbling Vlogs here, and I'm here to film a Mother Nature vlog. So, here it goes, nothing. Here's some bushes. There's some cactuses, there's a bush, and there's a bush. There's some plants, and some more cactuses. That would be our cactus field over there. And over here is our bush field. Since there's a lot more bushes than cactuses, and there's a couple. But mainly, yeah. Over there we have a big mountain with the glorious sunlight. I don't know if you saw it, there's a hummingbird flying at that tree right there. But yeah. That's basically all the plants that we have. There's some more down there. You can see the grass, some trees, some more bushes, and a tree. Currently filming at a different house since I live in that apartment. So, yeah. Here, let me come closer so you get a better view of the cactuses. Oh, yeah. So my most favorite thing about Mother Nature is the peaceful sounds that it makes and all the glorious different plants and birds and animals it has. It's currently 8:06 in the morning and it's so beautiful out here. It's a little bit cold, but still. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what is your favorite thing about Mother Nature. I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.